Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So today you guys will be spending an entire day with us. Are you excited, Bubba? Yes, so you guys will be spending the entire day with us. Well, I'm not sure the entire day, not a whole 24 hours, but basically until we go to sleep, you guys will be spending the entire day with us. So anyway, so first thing that we're going to get into is basically I'm going to make some breakfast for us because we both Hi, you want to talk? You got something to say? So basically basically I'm going to start making us some breakfast because he just woke up and he's very hungry right now. So I'm going to start making some oatmeal and I'm going to puree that a little bit just because he just started on food. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to start on now. Let's get started. She wants some oatmeal. You want some oatmeal? Guys, right, so I am so mad at myself because literally y'all see, every time I try to talk, this little boy gets on my nerves, y'all. Every time I try to talk, he literally will do something to talk over me. Like, how rude. Let me just tell you guys, I am so mad at myself because literally I had ordered some coffee pods from off of Amazon. It was like a box of 48 or something like that, and over the weekend we went over my mom's house and I took the whole box with me. And y'all, why did I leave it at my mom's house? Literally, I left the whole box of coffee pots at my mom's house. I had ordered it and received it October 31st. So guess what I had to do? Like, I think that was just my fault. First, we gotta make sure that nobody is still by the door because that'd be so creepy. Like, I don't want to be like stalking my package. I don't want them to think that I'm stalking my package. Like, y'all, y'all, I knew it was my package. Like, I am so thirsty. Yeah, I am so happy this came because I cannot function without my coffee, y'all. Yeah, so anyway, I had ordered that yesterday because I was literally telling myself, like, I cannot function without coffee. So the best thing for me to do in this situation is just order a whole new box. I was just so disappointed and mad at myself because literally I had just got that box of 48, order the same box, and I think it comes, oh, it's a box of 84. So I literally just wasted my money, like. But I'm about to put on these eggs and I got my oatmeal cooking up right now. I got my oatmeal cooking and I'm about to put my eggs on. I'm gonna put some garlic, some onion, this Creole. All right, y'all, so for the fun part, I'm about to puree my baby's oatmeal a little bit because the clumps of the actual oats itself is just a little too big for him to swallow. So I'm gonna puree it down a little bit. So basically, I ordered this hand blender from off of Amazon. This is how it looks. Well, this is the brand. This is who it's made by. You basically just take this blender part and attach it to the thing. You just attach it and twist it on. Yep. And then you plug it in. And put it in there. to be a little sweet. And then stop doing that. Stop it right now. No, just take a little. Get yourself a yummy, 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 yummy. That's so good. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Big boy. Okay, so I think I'm going to just start working on a few things that I need to work on, such as like editing, and I might just start cleaning up a little bit, because I didn't show y'all our media room, but I'm not even gonna take y'all in there. There's just stuff everywhere. So I'm going to clean up a little bit, straighten up, and I will see you guys in a minute. All right. Y'all, my baby trying to walk. Oh my goodness. This is the scariest part of motherhood. He is only 6 months. And at first, come on. See, he just, get your little hands off of it. Get. I can't get him off, y'all. There you go. Crawl around. So yeah, at first, he was bumping his head a lot. So let me put y'all down, first of all. Standing up and falling backwards a lot. So that's why we keep the blanket and the pillows down and stuff like that, because we don't want you busting your head, boo-boo. But yeah, so now he can stand up and he's able to properly, well, not properly 100%, but he's able to stand up and hold his balance once he falls. So if he falls or loses his balance in any way, he'll fall on his bottom instead of just falling backwards and not being able to hold himself up. So this is kind of like our productivity routine, but the only thing is we're just going to be doing it all day. And I'm also going to be putting up some food for us, because in a second he's already like showing me signs that he's hungry. It's going to be time for lunch, and we're going to have some chicken breast and sweet potatoes, and I'm just going to puree that as well for him, because he's still trying to learn how to swallow his food. Yeah, if you guys want a full tutorial on how I puree his food, I can show that to you guys. I actually think I am going to do something like that, just because I feel like it can help other moms out there. Yeah, so I'm going to play with him for a little bit and then get on with the rest of the day. So yeah. 5, 6. There's one song, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright y'all, so I'm just basically pureeing some sweet potatoes because we're gonna have chicken breast and sweet potatoes for lunch. And then I'm also going to wait, did I say pureeing? I mean basically steaming. Oh, I forgot to poke holes in it. You gotta poke holes in it so it can steam through the thick potato. Y'all, I am so shocked my baby is actually being so good today. Like literally he been tripping the last few days. So look at him and his walker. Like this is a cause for celebration because he never just sits and like stays content in his walker. He really got to give me a hard time. So yeah, I'm about to wait until that gets done. And yeah, it's been like a pretty peaceful day. I am so shook right now because literally he been giving me a hard time. I'm gonna just say a hard time, but he was being so good. I'm so proud of him. And like I love days like this. Literally I'm in good spirits, he's in good spirits, we're happy. But yes guys, I'm going to basically finish with my steaming, and then we're going to why are you trying to talk over me? So I'm gonna basically finish with steaming the vegetables and the potatoes, and then I will get back to you guys. Okay y'all, so I just finished pureeing the sweet potato and chicken, and this is how it came out. It looks so good. It's smooth, and I don't know if you guys can see like the little bits and pieces of the chicken breast, but they're in there. And yeah, that's pretty much all of it. So now I'm gonna feed it to him, and you guys will see if he likes it or not, and so will I. So y'all, I think it is safe to say that he likes it. And let me just show y'all my hard work once again. So this is how it looks. So soft. I'm super proud of myself for this because this came out really good. Like I think I am gonna do a whole tutorial or like a mini vlog on how to puree foods for your baby. Cause I did it. At this point, I don't think there's anything she can do with me. I think he finished. He's starting to spit it out. The only thing that you need to worry about when you start pureeing food is containers, because we literally don't have any more containers because I already have pureed him some food the day before, and now it's just like, dang, we ain't got no containers to put this stuff in. So make sure you buy Tupperware and containers so you can store the food properly, because I don't want to just be like putting it in bowls, you know. So I don't know, I'm gonna figure something out. But I think we're about to take another nap because we need a nap. And that's right, boo boo, we need a nap. So yeah, we're about to take a nap, y'all.